Hi everyone, today we're learning the F major scale for ABRSM. The F major scale has one B flat. It starts and ends on F. The left-hand fingering is similar to C major and G major, but the right hand has a unique pattern. The fingering on the right hand is unique. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try playing one octave. Now, let's try 2 octaves. The left hand follows the same fingering as C major and G major. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Let's play one octave. Now, try 2 octaves with the left hand. Keep it steady and smooth. Relax and focus on making smooth transitions during finger turns. With practice, you'll master the F major scale quickly. Keep going, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more piano tips. Thank you, and happy practicing.